we've come together this day, not just to mark the start of a relationship, but to recognize the bond of love that already exists. This marriage and your decision for this marriage are but an expression of your love for and commitment to each other.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting, we won't wait no more. Every season, every memory made, all the dreaming led us here today. Can you see it? We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story.
I'm such a lucky person to be here today. I've married a man who opened my heart to love unconditionally. I will be here when we need someone to talk to or listen to. I promise to love you as you love me.
Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right.
I can't believe I'm marrying my best friend, my lover, my better half, one person that brightens my life. We've grown so much over the years. You changed my life for the better and good.
The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to. The best is yet to come.
Love is truly a gift for you to cherish. It brightens your life and brings you laughter to uplift your soul. It gives you great pleasure at the sound of your lover's voice or just a touch of a hand. It lifts you from indifference and loneliness and companionship and meaning. Love is a joy. It's the richest blessing we can know. And so I hope you, Ed, and you, Joanna, will appreciate and affirm each and every day what your love brings to your life and each other.
Rain turns to rust. Fire that burns to dust. We love until it hurts too much. We laugh.
You're such an amazing woman. I really don't know how you do it. You blessed me with 2 beautiful children. I couldn't ask for more, but for you to continue this beautiful journey of marriage. I love you so much, Joanna. And I promise to always be there for you, for our family, for the better and for the worse.
To let your love run free. Let your love run free. I'll follow you, you follow me.
I promise to hold and keep you, comfort, protect, and shelter you for all the days of my life. I can't wait to start this new and exciting chapter with you and our family. I promise to be strong and loyal to you. I promise to love you now and forever.
So, with this union of hearts and hands, and by the authority vested in me as a kahu or minister, and by the laws of the state of Hawaii, and in the name of Almighty God, our Father, I pronounce you husband and wife. At this time, Ed, you may kiss your lovely bride.